In a world where anticipation is key, the quirky habit of sneeze etiquette has taken center stage. When someone sneezes, the immediate response is crucial. A perfectly timed "bless you" is expected. But watch out, one man at a coffee shop took it too far, sneezing loudly and followed by an exaggerated "thank you" that left everyone giggling. Then there's the awkward silence when someone sneezes and no one acknowledges it, making them feel like a leper in the sneeze realm. Let's not forget those unfortunate souls who sneeze and accidentally spray a little too much. A one-way ticket to the "No More Coffee for You" club. So the next time you hear a sneeze, give a light-hearted laugh or a blessing. Because we all know, these quirky moments make us the wonderfully weird humans we are.